Okay, what's in the box? My first impression, looks really solid, feels really great, well built, really good quality. So opening it and then you go, wow, keyboard looks fantastic. So having a look at the paperwork and seeing what's in the pack. So just a bit of a screen adjustments and how to attach the iPad. And then yeah, other paperwork. Okay, so taking a closer look at this, you can see the Alcantara finish at the back where you place your iPad on it. And then the keyboard looks absolutely immaculate. The layout is fantastic. Trackpad looks good. Finish looks really good, really solid. The build is absolutely fantastic. USB-C as well, where you can charge your iPad as well. Really great, really good. So far I'm liking this. Yeah, I can see the build really good. The top there as well, stiff, good. And when you close it, it feels really solid. Not as heavy as I thought it would be though. And then yeah, there you go. So attaching the iPad with one hand, quite easy to do. Strong magnets at the back, and also using both hands as well, quite easy to do as well. Really good, that helps to get a good fit, and you get a good angle on the side for viewing fully. Comparing both with my Logitech Slim Folio keyboard, I miss the function keys. However, having the trackpad and the layout of the keyboard as well as the typing feel for the new keyboard, Magic Keyboard, is amazing. Also trying to get a bit of a weight here for it to see how heavy it is. It says on the tin 6054, and with the iPad it's about 1074. At nighttime LED is great, really good visibility as well. And closing it is okay, it's quite nice, solid, but getting it open is a bit of a challenge. So you've got to lift up a bit and put a bit of pressure at the back and lift open. But if you practice this a few times, yeah, you kind of get used to it. A bit of pressure at the back there, and then you open it and yeah, it comes on. So not bad, but difficult to open though. In terms of the angle of adjusting, you can tilt, go flat if you want to, and you can also go on a wider angle, and that for me is the perfect view, and I use that all the time, the full angle, and I have no issues at all. The counterweight is not too bad at all, really good. In terms of the typing experience, really great. I have no issues at all with typing on this keyboard, very good. And in terms of that space, your hands touching it, not had any issue at all. In terms of the noise of the keyboard and the feel, really great. As well as the trackpad as well, been fantastic. So this is having fun now with the gestures. So in my opinion, a good accessory to have, but I'll be reviewing again after 6 months to 1 year.